George Gillis Jr. here. Hi everyone. Hi everyone that's here on this video. I have something I want to share with you guys today. I joined a program called Easy1Up, a marketing system with e-learning educational platform, signing up people every single day. This program is amazing. It has been a lucrative business for me. I signed up at the $250 level, which is income elite, and it'll actually grow as you sign people up who need educational marketing. Affiliate marketing is what it does, and it pays $250. At the $250 level, you get everything at the $100 level, and at the $25 level for free. So if you get a chance to come in and you want to start to promote this business, we have a rotator with a company that I'm with also that has the income streams of Easy1Up in it. And it's David Deacle's program, which is called the Profit Passport System, where you go in there and you sign up to these companies and you're already a member or whatever. You go and create your free account with Profit Passport, and you put your affiliate IDs in where the income streams are. I think it's 6 or 7. Everything in there is awesome. Now, I'm getting ready to upgrade in Easy1Up to the $2,000 level because the marketing system that we have through David Deacle's program, which is Profit Passport, will allow us to make up to $2,000 profit. When someone comes in and creates a free account with Profit Passport, they're able to go and join the income stream, which is the #1 income stream, which is Easy1Up. You want to go in there, click on the button, you want to sign up, join Easy1Up at the Vortex Live $2,000 level. This gives you paid free upgrades to everything underneath that automatically pay you when someone signs up under your affiliate link. Now what you need to do is go and do this. I mean, this system through Easy1Up, and you will see it on my sign up page, this video, and all you have to do is just get signed up, and we'll take you step by step and walk you through how to set up your system. We also have a rotator that allow us to plug in your affiliate link to your program after you've upgraded to the Vertex Live in Easy1Up, and you'll get paid on those levels. At that level, the $2,000 level, the $1,000 level, you'll get paid at the $250, $500, $100, and the $25 level. I mean, that's the top program. That's the way to come in. We have proof all over the internet, even on Facebook in our group, where people are getting these $2,000 payments every single week. Now, if you're looking for a lucrative business that you can start to, join and get paid every week, all you have to do is join the program, get involved, and see how it works. It's phenomenal. It's just so much proof. It's so much real value in this program that you ain't gonna believe this. I mean, you have to see it for yourself. So I'm waiting for you on the inside to join Easy1Up under my program at the Vertex Live $2,000 level, so you can get paid on all 7 income streams they have in there. I mean, this is amazing. Waiting for you, and all you have to do is get started today. So join us today, and we'll see you on the inside. Have a blessed and prosperous day. Thank you.